How to turn on satellite mode on Google Maps for PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and click on Google Apps at the top right. You will find all these apps pop up and then click on Maps. After you click on Maps, your maps will pop up. And search for the location you want to search at the top left. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, you'll find layers. Click on it. Then you will find all these options. Click on satellite. After you click on satellite, your map will change into satellite mode. As you can see, it has been changed. And this is how to turn on satellite mode on Google Maps for PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.